Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a double black screen flash after Alt+Tab, Windows key, volume key in a game. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the desktop and select show more options and select Nvidia control panel. You just need to select manage 3D settings on the left side. In global settings, you just need to find monitors technology. In my case, I have low-end graphics card, so the option is not available. You just need to find this monitor technology over here. After that, click on this drop down and you just need to select ULMB. That means ultra low motion blur. You just need to select the option. Click on this drop down in monitor technology and select ULMB. After that, you just need to select the apply option to save changes. After saving the settings, we just need to go to program settings. Click on this drop down and find your game that you having problem. In my case, I have Fortnite. After selecting the game, you will get this settings. You just need to find monitor technology as the same thing. You just need to find the monitor technology and click on this drop down and select ULMB. That means ultra low motion blur. After selecting the option, you just need to select the apply option to save changes. After that, you just need to restart the game. After restarting your game, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.